When we talk about symbol of love, there are many things come into our mind. Heart symbol, red rose, and the biggest thing that comes to our mind is Taj Mahal. Today, we have reached here at Agra to visit the crown of palace Taj Mahal.
Begum Mumtaz Mahal died in 1631. To house the tomb of his beloved wife, Shah Jahan began constructing Taj Mahal in 1632.
It took 22 years to complete the construction. More than 20,000 people and 1,000 elephants worked in this construction work. These huts were made for the expert craftsmen who came long way from Baghdad, Lahore, Kannauj, Delhi, and the laborers used to stay at the outside areas, which is now named as Tajganj.
The biggest challenge was constructing such a huge structure at the bank of Jamuna river.
All the main structures are supported on wooden piles. This is the main entry gate, which in Urdu tongue is known as Darwaza-e-Roza.
In the year 2007, Taj Mahal was declared as the winner of the 7 wonders of the world.
Before that, in the year 1983, UNESCO declared this Taj Mahal as World Heritage Site for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. There are total 22 small domes on the top of the entrance gate, 11 on the front side and other 11 at the back side. These 22 domes indicate that the construction time took 22 years. It is really surprising to see that there was a well inside this construction complex. The construction people, they used to use this bored water for their drinking purpose. People say that the top mast on the top of the main dome was made of gold, but the authenticity of this statement is not known. However, later on this was converted into brass.
This was Naubat Khana or Drum House, now Taj Museum. On the opposite side, there was another Naubat Khana.
There are total 4 minarets at the corners of the structure. Minarets are slightly out of plumb, but still those are standing for the last almost 500 years. These minarets were constructed eccentrically so that in case of collapse, these structures should not fall on the main structure. Finally, we are ready to step up to the main platform to visit the main structure and the famous tomb.
One of the major features of this architecture was stone inlaying.
It is really surprising how they used to inlay ruby or malachite inside the marble stones, and these used to glow during moonlights. Superb, exactly. Mumtaz got married with Emperor Shah Jahan at her age of 19 years old, and that time Shah Jahan was also 20 years old.
Mumtaz was Shah Jahan's third and most favorite wife. They stayed together for about 20 years.
The emperor had deep and loving relation with Mumtaz Mahal. Out of this loving bond, 13 children were born. And finally, Mumtaz died in the year of 1631. Mumtaz Mahal was Shah Jahan's trusted companion.
She was the only wife who travelled with him all over the Mughal Empire.
You have to purchase a separate ticket of rupees 200 to enter into this mausoleum. Online facility is available for both the tickets. You can purchase the ticket using your mobile. Shah Jahan planned to construct another Taj Mahal of black color using black stones at the other side of the Jamuna river. But Aurangzeb, his son, refrained him by putting him home arrested. The architectural beauty of this world-famous monument is definitely known to us, but the structural excellency, that is also unparalleled. Can you imagine? There were no machineries at that time. They did everything manually. There was no drilling machine, no digging machine, but they put several piles into the riverbed. There were no computer, no theodolite, but consciously they made all the 4 minarets tilted symmetrically. Moreover, there was no cement at that time, but they used their own bonding materials, and those are still standing even after 450 years. Really surprising. After spending almost 2.5 hours, now we are returning back from this beautiful place with a full of satisfaction.
We shall cherish the loving memory of this place and preserve it till our next visit to this beautiful place of eternal love.